Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can report people on Roblox. So to do that, you are going to select the Roblox icon here and you're going to select the person that has bullied you. For instance, this one. So you're going to select the flag button here and you're going to select either experience or person. For instance, text chat, voice chat, or avatar. Select the person here and select reason of abuse, maybe swearing. Then you're going to select submit. Depending on how long they've been doing that, they can get banned for a day or like a long time. So yeah, that is how you can report people for bullying and stuff on Roblox. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!